'Cause nobody does it like you. I like the way that you move. That's why I never go through with leaving you.
Wala akong mag-jogging. Paano ako mag-jogging kung uphill yan, bes? Quick room tour. Ayan yung aming sala. Wow, amin. Ayan. Then, see fit. It's very simple lang. Tapos naka-rubber shoes ako kanina. And this is this living room. Here's the dining. Here's the kitchen. Nagluto sila kanina. Meron din tayong fridge. Yeah. I don't know kung ano minuto nila. Let's check. Wala. Ah, wait. Yes. Here's another terrace. Yan. Here's the first room. Tapos ito yung pataas. Ito yung masters. With all this stuff. Yan. Walk-in wardrobe. Say hi. Thank you, my vlog. Ito yung shower. Heater, of course. And here yung isa. Yan, dito. Dito ako matutulog later. With wardrobe din. Hi guys, so I just realized hindi pa pala ako nakakapag-intro. Hello, is 9:13 in the morning. And today is Friday, October 17. And I'm currently here in Baguio right now. Anyway, I have to pre-run. Kaya nakapag-jogging outfit ako. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Because I have a marathon on Sunday, which is yung women's run sa UPP. And it's been a while since I jog. Since I run talaga. So, kailangan ko mag-practice ulit. Kaya guys, I'm jogging. Hindi ko alam. The view. Yan. I'm gonna run up there. Tapos babalik ako. Okay, guys. Okay. Wala akong ganito. Yung date. Hey, guys. Kami, guys.
Renta lang, ma'am.
Oh, maganda yung driver ko. Dito kami ngayon sa Burnham.
Extra muna kami dito.
Sideline muna si Bossing.
Kayo.
Dan, sundan mo yan.
Sa Manila.
Banggain mo! Banggain mo!
Banggain ko talaga yan. Tapos pag nakabangga ako dito eh. Ay, ewan.
Dito pwedeng ma-my day. Ang ingay natin.
Inyot mo yan. So, dito kami ngayon.
Alright! Ayan! Dito kami ngayon. Event namin, guys. Uwi na kami. Kumain natin kami kanina ng dinner. Hindi ako nakapag-video. It's currently 11:21 in the evening. Alam niyo bang naka 20k steps ako, guys? Para ako nag-ibang bansa. Anyway, I'll be sharing with you some of the things that we bought kanina. Anyway, also went to Burnham Park kasi malapit lang siya dun sa SM Baguio. So, we might as well try it. ito yung mga binili ko. Nag-ano kami, yung pedal. And then, ito yung binili ko. It's a ref magnet lang naman. George. Unique. That's why I like it. Ganyan siya. And I got it for like 3 for 100. Tapos yun akong binili. 6 for 100 siya. Naghati ulit kami ng friend ko. So, this is like 50 pesos for 3 pieces. I got the Polvoron, strawberry sampalok, and peanut brittle. I was looking for a strawberry peanut brittle, pero wala silang available gamit. So, yeah. Ito yung pinili ko. Also, I got myself this one. I'm a really big fan of small things. Like, hanggat maaari yung mga gamit yung tupiso, alam mo yun. Yo, yan. In short, I got myself the mini hydro flask. Looks like nice. And then, I got my name on it.
Sobrang lakas niya. Tingnan. Go! Go! Meeting na, housemates! Guys, pauwi na kami. May bayad ba sa amin?
Dito naman kami ngayon sa Wright Park. And then, we're currently taking some pictures. So, I'm a photographer. And then, ganun din sila. Tapos, yeah. Andun yung the mansion. Tapos, we're gonna go up there. Pabalik na kami, guys. Kasi, mag 4:30 na. So, yeah. Pasok nyo. Medyo manulong yung quality because they're in one. Anyway, yeah. Hi guys. Okay, it's currently 6:08 in the evening. Pauwi na kami. So, 6:30 yung boarding namin. And kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos. Kasi, madali na kami. So, we've been to Mines View and Wright Park and the mansion. A little bit of the mansion. Tapos, punta kami sa coffee project near Mines View. Kasi ang ganda ng view, guys. Hi to my vlog. So, kanina pala sa Mines View, pakita ko rin sa inyo, guys, yung nabili kong additional souvenirs sa Lubong. Ito. Meron akong strawberry, pero nasa taas, nasa bag ko. I got that for 66 pesos. Tapos, itong Yema Ube Pastillas. Also, I got this grapes wine as a mamili ng person. Blueberry wine pala to, guys. Blueberry wine. Originally, 50 pesos each. Tapos, 150 ml. Pero if you're gonna buy 320 pesos na lang siya. Kaya sulit na. I got this one for 40 pesos. Yan. Ito ni ate, wag lang daw islam. Wag lang daw ipahiga. Kasi, masasabog ata siya. Ayun lang, that sums up our Baguio trip. So, uwi kami sa Manila. Ang ETA is 11:30 p.m. Yeah, that sums up our Baguio trip. So, say bye to my vlog. Say bye to my vlog. Aubrey. Wow, 6'2". Wow, 6'2". Swipe right mo. Swipe right natin. 411. Ang sinakay naming bus pala is Genesis. Yeah. 2640. And Dankeschön. Tschüss.